Hi everyone. Okay, so here's the deal. We have a microwave that we are going to install. Well, it's been sitting on my counter since we bought it. And we're gonna install it right there. And Reese is supposed to do it, but since he worked 12 hours today, I thought maybe I'll start it. So we'll see how far I can get before he has to come and save me. I mean, how hard can it be? I just gotta take this off so that he can put that thing up. So I'm just gonna start unscrewing screws. I freaking nailed it. Look at it, I nailed it. Okay, it turns out that this thing was only held up by 6 screws, so we're just gonna yank her down. Ew. It's really gross up here. There's no buttons. It's off! It's totally off, look it, I did it. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I've successfully taken the hood off. Pretty dirty back there. This is what it looks like underneath your hood, y'all. Ugh. Now things are getting real. It's time for the install. Reading the directions, so clearly I'm gonna be able to do this right. Looks super easy. Imagine that, but there is no screw. There's no screws. How are you gonna give me the wrong directions for a microwave install? You guys, this doesn't make any sense to me. The good news is I can keep working even if I can't figure out this stupid microwave. Look at how dirty that is. That's nasty. I'm gonna clean that out, and this is the bracket so that when Reese gets home, he can just figure out that microwave and put it up. So Reese is on his way. Until then, I'm just gonna have myself a nice cold beverage. I'm waiting it out in the backyard. So I decided to let Reese take over as if he needed to. I'm helping. While I helped from a safe distance, Reese secured the bracket on the back of the wall so that we could hang the microwave. I helped, look, I'm helping. And then he got hot, so we changed shirts. But he kept working, and that's all that matters, because I clearly could not do this without him. And there's our finished product. A 1.1 cubic foot low-profile microwave hood combination from Whirlpool. And I couldn't be more pleased. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of From Start to Finish. Tune in next time when I make a cat cafe in the air to keep my dogs away from her cat food. It's gonna be awesome. It's all by myself.